Meet Sarah, the safety officer at a bustling manufacturing plant. Every day, she ensures the well-being of hundreds of employees. Amid labor shortages and high turnover, her role is life-saving. A single safety incident can endanger lives, cause severe injuries, and devastate worker morale. And with increasing occupational injuries and illnesses, the risks for Sarah's team are skyrocketing. This is where the worker safety solution steps in. Created by SoftServe in partnership with SaaS, it leverages cutting-edge tech, combining real-time industrial IoT with SaaS analytics and computer vision AI technology. Imagine being able to monitor and identify unsafe behaviors in real time. If a worker experiences an equipment issue or enters an unauthorized zone, Sarah is instantly alerted. This solution helps Sarah spot workplace safety patterns by analyzing incident logs, KPIs, and real-time camera feeds. Furthermore, Sarah can foresee and prevent hazards using predictive analytics. Last but not least, Sarah upholds worker privacy in line with PII regulations, a cornerstone of trust and data security. The worker safety solution provides tailored insights for each stakeholder. CEOs value financial stability and reputation. Plant managers ensure smooth operations. Safety officers like Sarah prioritize health, and line managers maintain task safety. The benefits? Prevented workplace injuries, ensured compliance, reduced costs, increased worker engagement, and boosted productivity, ultimately creating a safer tomorrow. Ready to see how the worker safety solution can enhance your workplace? Schedule a demo with us and start your journey towards a more secure and efficient workplace today.